Please like and subscribe if you like what you see in today's view. Bob's Bites of Life. Thanks. Okay, so this is the second week on the continuing project of the gate. So I made the 2x4 in the middle too short, so I had to go back to Home Depot today and Lowe's and buy another 2x4 and a couple other items. But we're gonna at least get the frame finished today, but the project continues. Okay, so I drilled the holes on the left. I'm gonna take it out there and see how close I am. I haven't drilled the holes on the right because that's where the latch comes across. So we will make sure that's good used in a good place, okay? Let's see what happens. This was the gate back in October of 2001. What a change. When you're only one person working on this project, you have to get creative how to hold things up. Well, it's almost done. Only about 3 more boards to go. Yes, I know there's a gap. I did that for a reason. 1, for the door to open, the gate to open, the door gate to open easier. And 2, that's a drain better if there's a drainage area. Well, we'll see what we're gonna do. We might build it up a little bit or put some bricks down there, but it's really coming along. Oh well, the screws are in, 2, 4, 6 of them. The only thing left now is to put that clip on the outside. All right, let's hope this works. I think we can stick a fork in this project. Okay, so lock is on. Just checked it, and I know I'm gonna do something with that previous door, wood. So I'm gonna check this off my spring list of things to do. Check.